Hello. So the main thing that I'm talking in this video would be around 9 charts that we would be discussing here, and I have put the entry and like target stop loss over it, and I will be reviewing this charts after 1 week whether those perform what I have predicted or not. So let's start the video. So the first chart is of Adani Power, and for Adani Power, the buying level is nearby 145 if I see, and the stop loss would be around 135 or below 135, and the highest would be 174, or it can go more if it goes in the correct direction, because the reason is the trend change. So once it get break, this can become cup and handle pattern, and after that it can go boom. Okay, so let's move to the next chart. So next chart is around Ajanta Pharma Limited. So this is related to medical sector, and if I show you in the day frame, so from here to here it was in a bearish trend, downtrend we can say, and from here to here it was in a sideways. Now there's a breakdown of the top level if we see, right? So we can do two things here. We can buy here and put the stop loss of this and trail. The another one I can think what I can do is uh, let it dip. If it dip till here, we'll enter again, or if a big red candle shows and after that bullish, we'll go inside it. So that's the plan, and the buying level would be around 266. Round number will take 2670 to 2740. If we get in this range, we are going to directly take it, or if you want little bit more risk, you can go now as well, but that risk would be too big. So to minimize the risk, we should wait first. And let's move to the next one. So next one is the Apex Frozen Food Limited. So this is looking really good, but the 50-50 chances are there because of this trend line that is coming. If it breaks this one, then our target would be around 1:3, and it can go above like 1:5 and 1:6 also, but it should break this trend line and then go up. This is a good stock, and it has consolidated a long time in the same range, like more than 2 years. So this was like March 23, and this is around uh, November 25. So almost 2 years here it has been consolidated here, and now it is giving the breakout. So this has good opportunity to go up, and it won't stop, because you see this, the all-time high is near this one. So if it like, this would be too big target, but anything can happen. But this target would be for a long term, maybe like more than a year or maybe near year. So if we do like this, so it would be around how much? It would be around 2 to 1. Okay, so risk reward ratio would be 39. That means 400%, like around 2 to 1%. Let me measure the correct one from here to this one. Yeah, that's exactly 221%. That means double your money. If we go inside this for a long time, we can double our money. Okay, so the next one would be, but the trend line breakup should be there, and it is looking good opportunity because yeah, the trend is changing, and the big, if you see, big green candles are also coming. So yeah, lots of people are interested in this. So let's see after 1 week what's the condition of this apex. Till then we'll see other stocks. Another one is show clay. So for a show clay, what I've seen is like it has already run up. I want it to come back and then shoot up again. So waiting for it. Nothing much is there, but this would be like on the go. If you want, you can climb on this, but you can still feel the pain because if it fall, it can fall more. Around 23% it can fall. So yeah, it's up to you. But Ashok is a good stock, which and all-time high would be around. Actually, this is breaking its all-time high. Yeah, this is all-time high of it. A really good stock going right now. Really good. Just see, from months it is in uptrend only, and it can fall. Definitely, it can fall if you see from here to here. The trend line is done. Then, if we see from here to here, okay. Now it can. If you are entering right now, I'll give you the target. So let's see the target for you guys. If you are entering here, your target won't be good. It would be just let's say 33%, just 33% it would be. So but below this you have to put a stop loss strict here, okay, then only it is good. Otherwise, once it come back here, then you can buy it, okay. Or you can wait for the small trend line too for this one. Okay, once it come back to this trend line, then also you can buy. So this is the Ashok layer, and the next one we will be seeing wait for Ashok layer. This is the month view that we were looking into it. If we see a daily time frame, so then it would be very clear to you all, like I was telling you to wait till this, let it fall one. Yeah, so once it fall back, then if we enter, then it would be a safe stock for us. Entry on pullback, okay, 1 2, then it should form one more, then only it would be a good stock, okay. Let's not waste more time on Ashok layer. We'll move ahead of Astral Pipe. Sorry, not Astral Pipe, Astral Limited. Okay, so this Astral Limited is also looking good. So if we see, this is the bullish candle, and on this bullish candle we can take a trade and we can have a stop loss here, and it would be a very strict, okay, like if it comes, then you take it out, otherwise you will be having a loss. So yeah, so this is the thing. Target would be around 12%, yeah, and if it crosses that, then more on top and top. So you can still see the stock currently trending around 1434, near 1420 you can purchase this. Then with looking into Indus Bank. So in this Indus Bank, it is showing a good structure, but we can wait little bit. But it is forming a cup handle pattern. So if it crosses the above high, this we can enter. The entry point would be around 900. Currently trading at 890. Around 900. If it breaks and stays there, we can enter. Okay, and target would be on up, up. Like currently it is 10%, but you can assume around 20-30% once it crosses. Then this is the Indus Tower. So this is already in a running state. So most probably we would have entered here, but yeah, it's not able to. We are not able to enter there. So looking for a pullback. One pullback come and then we can sit. Although the previous highs break. Now one pullback we can enter. Current price is around 435. If it pullbacks around 400, 410, then we can think of entering in it. And we will see the stocks after 1 week again. What is the progress of this? Now this is the Parag Milk Foods Limited. So if we see, this is in a uptrend, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So again we can get a good entry here, and if it crosses the biggest high, which is around 23%, and if it crosses, then it can go up to 36% or maybe more, 40%. So yeah, this is also good, Parag Milk Foods Limited. So let's see the next one. Now this is the Precision Wires India. This was the cup and handle, and once it broke, it went up, right? So yeah, we could not catch it here, but still we can get it once pullback is there. Although one pullback is come, now it can go up again and it can consolidate here. Once it start consolidating and form a bullish candle, then we can think of going up. And as you can see, it is doing a movement of 268, then 234, then 238 is here. So we can buy around, like, if it comes around 230, 235, we can buy it, and then still hold for the target around 30%. So yeah, these were the stocks that I would recommend for this week, and after a week I will come again and review all these stocks again, like what is the status of these stocks.